Welcome to our Splunk SPL tutorial on the mvzip command. The mvzip command is a powerful function that allows you to combine two multi-value fields together. Think of it as zipping two lists together, where each element from the first list gets paired with the corresponding element from the second list. This creates paired combinations that are extremely useful for data analysis and correlation. For example, if you have a list of names and a list of ages, mvzip can combine them so that each name is paired with its corresponding age. This command is essential when you need to maintain relationships between different multi-value fields in your Splunk searches. The basic syntax for the mvzip command is straightforward. You write mvzip followed by parentheses containing your parameters. The first parameter is field 1, followed by a comma, then field 2, and optionally a delimiter in quotes. The field 1 and field 2 are the multi-value fields you want to combine. The delimiter is optional and specifies what character should separate the paired values. If you don't specify a delimiter, Splunk will use a comma by default. Remember that both field 1 and field 2 must be multi-value fields for this command to work properly. The syntax is case-sensitive, so make sure to write mvzip in lowercase. Let's break down the parameters in detail. The first two parameters, field 1 and field 2, are required and must be multi-value fields that you want to combine. These fields should have the same number of values, or at least you should understand how Splunk handles mismatched lengths. When the fields have different numbers of values, mvzip will pair values up to the length of the shorter field, and any extra values in the longer field will be ignored. The third parameter is the delimiter, which is optional. This delimiter determines what character will separate the paired values in the output. The default delimiter is a comma, but you can specify any character you want, such as a colon, pipe, or even a space. Here's a practical example to demonstrate how mvzip works. First, we create two multi-value fields using the eval and split commands. We create a field called names by splitting the string John, Jane, Bob, using a comma as the delimiter. This creates a multi-value field with three values: John, Jane, and Bob. Similarly, we create an ages field by splitting the string 25, 30, 35, which gives us three age values. Then we use the mvzip command to combine these two fields into a new field called combined. The mvzip function takes the names field and the ages field as parameters, and since we don't specify a custom delimiter, it will use the default comma separator. After running the mvzip command from our previous example, the combined field contains three paired values. The first pair is John, 25, where John from the names field is paired with 25 from the ages field. The second pair is Jane, 30, pairing Jane with 30. The third pair is Bob, 35, pairing Bob with 35. Each pair maintains the positional relationship from the original multi-value fields. The first value from names is paired with the first value from ages, the second with the second, and so on. This creates a new multi-value field where each value represents a complete pairing of the corresponding elements from both input fields. You can customize the delimiter used in mvzip to make the output more readable or suitable for your specific needs. In this example, we create a products field containing laptop, phone, tablet, and a prices field containing 999, 599, 399. Instead of using the default comma delimiter, we specify a colon as the third parameter in the mvzip function. This creates a catalog field where each product is paired with its price using a colon separator. The result would be laptop 999, phone 599, and tablet 399. Using a colon makes it clear that we're showing product to price relationships, which is more intuitive than using commas for both the field separation and the pairing separation. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.